my breath. It's almost been like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I don't know how long. Gonna make the tutorial on foot brake. The thing I preach to everyone all the time. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Don't forget foot brake. Whoop, skirt, skirt. Alright, so talking about wheelies. Everybody knows how to wheelie now, right? Everybody can do this, right? Oh, backfire though. Nasty. Anyway, so if everybody's got that down now, the whole class, first gear, second gear, you know, just as long as you got a consistent, smooth wheelie down, right? Now it's time to learn foot brake. So, step 1, the foot brake is located underneath your right foot. It's right there. That's what it, look at it. Look at it. Now respect it. Because it's going to save your life. Alright, now that you see it, first, I want you to make sure you're still respecting it. Okay? Give it a little tap. Oh yeah, hear that? See how much foot brake you got? Lock up the brakes a few times with it, just see, you know it works. Look at that, killed the bike. That's how you know your foot brake works. If you can't kill your bike with your foot brake, chances are your foot brake barely works, and it's not a good idea to use it, or to really wheelie and try to use it when it doesn't work. Anyway, alright, so all you do, or the time you need to start learning to use a foot brake and use it, and what you need to do to get familiar with it at a wheelie is, when you clutch up, is tap it. I'm just pulsing my foot right now. And once you're smooth in your wheelie and you start tapping it like I'm doing, you're gonna like feel the bike slow down and go, slow down and go, slow down and go, and it's gonna be like stable feeling. So like whatever you're bringing it up a little higher, and then just start tapping it. See, I made myself fall down just because I was sitting there tapping it and keeping it steady. But see, that's how you'll start to learn that you're well below balance point, because you'll be sitting there tapping your brake and your bike will fall down. So anyway, eventually you'll get up to here. I'm just sitting there pulsing, just pushing down, off, down, off, down, off, down, off, and it's up there at a good height, right? Anyway, so once you get the feeling, you'll finally find that spot where you're like, I let off the gas, and the only thing that brought me back down was that I pushed my brake. Once you find that spot, that's when you can wheelie to there, like right about here-ish, and just sit here and play with the brake. Just a little tap tap here and there. And yeah, you're gonna be doing pretty good. See, I need to move. I'm gonna move the GoPro and see if I can put you down where you can see my foot. I believe I have a bracket down there for that. Let's take a little gander, shall we? Hoo, hoo, hoo. Yeah. Okay. All right. You go down there. Hold up. Did you see that? Tap, tap to make sure the foot brake works. Don't forget that. So you can see me going through there. Every time my heel lifts up, you can see me just tap, 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 and you can see the bike reacting. That's the idea. That's what it's going to look like. I'm working it a lot, simply for the example. Once again, same thing. You just see me going through there. You can hear me like getting up to a point where I pretty much let off my throttle and then the bike goes quiet. I'm just tapping my brake or easing on my brake, just kind of floating. And that's more advanced where you'll get when you start floating the bike around. Alright, you may have been able to see that or not seen any of it, I don't know. But whatever. Eventually you're going to be like me where you hardly use your brake. You're just trying to coast. Only time I use it when I do like that, I dip back real hard, try to coast. But yeah, bros, once you get up here and you just start tapping it, eventually you'll understand where the point is that you need it, and you'll start using it accordingly. For a while though, you're going to be like me where you're still down here and just tapping it and the wheelie just falls down like I was doing right there in the beginning. That's how it was when I first taught myself. And it was really annoying. I was getting mad because I'd be like this, I'd be like, yeah, I'm killing it, no! It's because I'm sitting there tapping my brakes, just trying to figure out where I need to be. But eventually you'll figure it out. You'll start going further and further back because you'll start realizing every time you tap your brake, you fall down immediately because you're just not far enough back. And yeah, bros, you'll be out there killing it before you know it. And you're gonna feel real good about it. You're not gonna be that squid at the ride doing this. Ah! You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? Have you ever seen that squid? The one that wheelies and all of a sudden is on his brake about to run into somebody or run off the road? You don't want to be that guy. You want to be out here like this. Dip. You want to be a killer, boy, a killer. So, learn killer techniques. Learn foot brake. It'll save your life. And you too can really like me. Crappy. But yeah, I mean, that's really all there is to it. But yeah, bros, that's it for that. Learn foot brake, tap your brake, just tap it. Just wheelie and tap it, see what happens. Definitely don't drag it. You're gonna catch brake fade and then you're gonna loop. But tap it. Little tap here and there, just see what it does. Explore. Alright, bros, do it. I'm out of here. And don't forget foot brake!